Okay, good morning my friend. Welcome to my videos. For this time, I will introduce about application of algebra boolean. You know algebra boolean? I know you don't know. For this time, I will know you. Okay. And next, I will application algebra boolean have application is very extensive. With switch network and combination digital. And one, I will presentation about switching network. Next. Switching network. Switching network is the object is to have a prior switch state fruit. Open the lid and we associated every Hertz variable Boolean function as the gate. In a line that flow electricity, water, gas or information object lying which operates following cycle can husband gate valves in the form of Hertz hydraulic pipe. And this is, we can express the logic function for the corresponding gate. In this function, variable declared complaint closed gate, while the complementary variable not declared opened gate. In this series combination and the logic and 2 parallel combination. This logic OR, you can see this picture. Okay, and next a combination digital. Simple form. Switching network have 3 simple form. Like this. Number 1, output B present if X logic X gate is opened. Number 2, output B present if X gate and Y gate is closed. And number 3, output C present gate X or gate Y anyone closed. Yes, that is 3 simple form switching network. And next, combination of digital combination. Combination electric digital. This combination usually in model Kaiser logic gate. This combination digital electronic have 3 logic gate. 1, gate N, 2, gate R, and 3, inverter or not, like this. This image not. This function is switch a function firstly to get OR like this, and 3 get AND like this. This is a combination electric digital, and then have a derivative gate. Derivative gate. Derivative gate is a derivative from electronic digital combination. It's very much gate derivative. Yes, like this. For derivative gate, 1, none. None is a derivative gate from AND gate, and this NOR derivative gate from OR gate. This is SOR derivative gate SOR, and this derivative gate XNOR, and have an equivalent like this. Gate NOR have equivalent with this. Equivalent with this. NOR equivalent with this. And this equivalent with this. Yes, this gate derivative equivalent with this gate, and the last this gate equivalent with gesture this gate. Derivative gate from electronic digital combination. And next we will start make simple algebra function.
Let's discuss about simple Boolean function. Simple Boolean function is used to simplify a Boolean function or a question of Boolean function. There is a Boolean function. This is a question of Boolean function. It can simplify with two ways. First is algebra step, and second is Carnot map. Algebra step is have a sum law or theorem to simplify a question, and Carnot map is used to table and change it a simple table. And now let's see some Boolean law. In here is associative law. A multiplied B multiplied C. This is AND gate, and OR gate is A plus B plus C and equal A plus B plus C. And this is commutative law. AND gate is A multiplied B equal B multiplied A, and OR gate is A plus B multiplied B plus A, and in this line is distributive law. This is AND gate. AND gate is A plus B multiplied A plus C equal A plus B multiplied C, and in OR gate is A multiplied B plus A multiplied C equal A multiplied B plus C, and this is identity law. Identity law is A multiplied 0 equal 0, and OR is A plus 1 equal 1, and the last is inverse law. In AND gate, A multiplied A inverse equal 0, and in OR gate is A plus A inverse equal 1. And let's simplify that this question with algebra step. Now algebra step to simplify this question. This is the answer of this question. X plus x accent multiplied y equal x plus x accent multiplied x plus y. It use a distributive law to make this answer. And next is 1 multiplied x plus y. Y is 1 because x plus x accent is 1. In inverse law, x plus x accent is 1. Now 1 multiplied x plus y equal x plus y because x plus y equal x plus y multiplied 1 is x plus y. Now simplify with Carnot map. Now let's simplify this question with key map step or Carnot map. This is the question. X accent plus x equal x plus x accent multiplied y. Now let's make the third table. X, y, x accent y, and x plus x accent y. X 0 0 1 1, y 0 1 0 1. X accent is inverse of x, so x accent is 1 1 0 0, and x accent multiplied y is 0 1 0 0, and the last is x plus x accent multiplied y, and the result is 0, 1, 1, and 1. So let's substitution this result to Carnot map. This is Carnot map. X accent and y accent is symbol of 0. So in here x 0 and y 0 in x accent and y accent, and x accent and y is x 0 and y 1. X and y accent is x1 and y0, and the last is x and y is the last x1 and y1. So let's substitution this to Carnot map. So x0 y0 in here, so the answer is 0, and in this cell is 0 and 1 in here. In here x y accent is x1 and y0, and the last is 1 x1 and y1, and in the if the result is substitution, so the result is like this. In here 0, 1, 1, and 1. Then about don't care situation. Now is don't care situation. Don't care situation is every value in truth table not change the value of final. The final value is not changed. Is like this. Like this. Nah, in W, X, Y, and Z, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the symbol of decimal is 0. And this is don't care situation. So any value in here don't change value in here. And in Carnot map is like this. 1, 1, don't care, 0, 1, don't care, and this don't care. In row 1 and 1 is 1, 1, don't care, and the last is 0, 0, don't care. So any value in here don't care situation not change the final value. So not this is if 1 or 0 is not change very much about the value. And that's all about our presentation. Let's see you in next our video. Dadah.